What's popping, Beat Squad? So today I'm here with my brother and we're going to do a Rubik's Cube challenge. So we are not going to solve this puzzle normally because we tried solving it for months and we just couldn't. It's just impossible. So the fastest way to do this is to break down the puzzle into pieces, then put it together again according to its proper colors. So I'm going to start. We're going to set the timer and I'm going to start, and we'll see who does it the fastest. So set the timer. Okay guys, so I'm starting. This is my second time doing this, so hopefully I've gained enough experience.
Oh.
Stop it, you're disturbing me.
Yes, of course, I'm a dembewe. Namusito bombandindao. Hey, abone yeso kabarembewe. Baya bombandindao. Hey, lion, roaring lion, ya bombandao.
Time is running
Look
out.
at this.
Whoa.
Just look at that. Look at this. Green. Stop the time. I'm done.
9 minutes.
So I finished my puzzle in 9 minutes 50 seconds. So now is this 10. We'll see who does it the fastest. So guys, we're going to break it down again. Can you break it down for me?
It's up to me now. I decide who wins and who loses. Should I put it? Just put one. Who's the fastest, eh? Woo! It works.
So guys, he finished it in 7 minutes 17 seconds. It's about 2 minutes difference. So yeah, and I just want to say something. He's been doing this for a long time. I'm sure this is his 6th time or 7th time doing this, and it's only my 2nd time. So he had an unfair advantage.
Technically, I didn't even have any advantage. She's the one who came up with this idea, so that means that she's the pro.
Guys, thank you for watching. So we'll see you next time. So please subscribe for more videos, and from me and this crazy being right here. Bye.